Hey guys, I'm Hallie. Welcome to Ask an Expert with wikiHow. Today I'm sitting down with John Lundin, a psychologist here in the San Francisco Bay Area. How do you show empathy for your partner in your relationship when they're feeling anxiety, even if you really don't understand it?
Well, I think that question probably gets to, it's probably really about how can I be most helpful to my partner when they're anxious, right? So there are a lot of pieces to this. One piece is that those are their feelings and you're not responsible for making those go away. And so if you can reframe it in that way, then that can allow you to simply be present with their anxiety and say, this is really worrying you, right? And even to see how I said that, right? That's different than, this is really worrying you, isn't it, right? That makes them feel more anxious, right? If you can, again, remain calm and be with them, I mean, this is an answer that's going to apply to a lot of different scenarios, right? Because this is what people want to feel, is someone who's really with them in their feelings. That doesn't mean you have to always be anxious if they're anxious, but even a few moments of that, think about how little we all get of that on an everyday basis, and think of how moving that is when we do just a few minutes of somebody really being able to be with us and how we feel. Then we don't feel so alone, and then we're not as anxious.